Gusto mo rin gawin ng ganitong klase ng edit? Gawin natin ang cloning effect gamit ang CapCut and Filmora. Open CapCut, tap New Project and select your clip. Tap Add. Do the necessary trims. Move the playhead where you want to start the video. Select the clip and tap Split. And delete this part since hindi naman natin need yan. Move ulit natin ang playhead sa part kung saan mo i-end ang video. Select the clip and tap Split. Move ulit natin ang playhead sa part naman na gusto mong mag-start ang video. Tap Split and delete ulit natin yan. So now, we have two clips. Select the second clip and drag natin yan sa unahan. Make sure nakaselect pa rin ang clip and look for mask. Select horizontal and you'll have this yellow line. Adjust natin yan. I-rotate natin yan showing the two subjects on the screen. This is the main clip and this is your overlay track. So now, you're having an idea paano nag-work ang masking. I-maximize natin ang button to have a full view sa video. Dito, mapapansin ninyo, medyo visible ang masking natin dito. Madalas ito ang nagiging issue sa masking. So shrink lang natin yan and tap ulit natin ang horizontal. Then, tap feather. Adjust natin to depende yan sa lightings ng clip mo. Or pull this arrow. Check ulit natin kung satisfied ka na, trim lang natin ang clip then export. In Filmora app, tap New Project. Select the clip, tap Add, tap Import. Do the necessary trims. Dito, observe natin yan. May option ka to delete yung unahan or end part pag nagtitrim ka ng clip. On this example, since gusto natin ma-delete ang unang part nito, select this option. And automatic, madi-delete na ang unang part. Move ulit natin ang playhead sa part na gusto mong mag-end ng video. Dito, wala tayong i-delete. So, tap lang natin ang option na to. Now, move the playhead sa part na gusto mo ulit mag-start ang video. Then, select natin ang clip. Just observe the clip. Itong part na to ang gusto nating ma-delete. So, select this option. Now, we have two clips. With the second clip selected, tap Track Switching. Adjust natin ang clip to fit the screen. Then, i-drag natin yan sa unahan. And look for mask. Select Liner. Rotate natin ang line na to, revealing the two subjects. To adjust the feather, ito lang ang adjustment natin. Pull lang natin ang arrow na to. Adjust mo lang yan. And if okay ka na, tap this tick mark. Trim the clip, export. Pili ka na lang kung saan ka mas komportabling app. Oh, sana may natutunan. Okay, bye!